You don't need to rent a storefront or write a complicated business plan to start your own company. You don't even need a physical product to launch a successful business. All you need is an internet connection and a good idea to create something people want to buy. And it's easier than you think. Hey everybody, my name is Dan Dembski and I'm a co-founder of Unbound Merino, an e-commerce apparel brand built right here on Shopify. And if you told me as a kid that I was going to start an apparel brand that's sold in over 100 countries, I would have said, cool, I'm going to go play my Nintendo 64. But that's what happened. And we took a simple idea to make better travel clothing and we made it a reality. And we did it all online with just a few simple tools. In this video, I'm going to share 3 easy online business ideas that you can turn into a legit business yourself. These ideas, they're just here to kind of get your creative juices flowing. So don't take them and go start selling some snake oil. The best businesses are the ones that really should exist. So before putting all your energy into starting a business venture, ask yourself if you, as a customer, would actually want this product or service to exist. And then go see if anyone else is doing it the way you would do it. There are more holes in the market than you would even imagine. And believe me, if I could do it, you can. So let's dive into it. Number 1, sell a digital product. The fastest and easiest way to build a successful online business is to create and sell a digital product. Digital products require almost no overhead to create, just your initial time and energy. But once you build one, these products have huge potential revenue since you could automate the selling process with an online store and stop trading your time for money like a normal job. And your product can be just about anything. You can sell stock drone footage, custom fonts, an online game, licensed music, or a course on anything, like a 6-part core workout series you've created, or beginner sign language video lessons. All you need to do is create something that solves someone's problem. Digital products, they're not purely passive income. You'll still have to update your product from time to time, and marketing it to new potential buyers should be part of the process. But for most products, the input and overhead are low, and the potential earnings are truly incredible. Number 2, become a consultant or coach. If you don't want to build a product, well, you can be the product. And thanks to the rise of Zoom, launching a 100% online consulting and coaching business, it has never been easier. You just need to leverage a skill or your expertise in a niche to teach others. But don't panic if you haven't given a TED Talk or don't have a decade of experience in your field. You can build clout by writing a few blogs or a short ebook that solves a specific problem in your niche. And the best part is that you can usually earn some revenue while building your reputation, doing things like consulting and guest speaking. Once you've established your expertise, market your coaching and consulting skills on social media with a link to a simple landing page that has all your info. You can even automate the process with tools like Calendly that lets people book a meeting with you on your calendar with just a simple click. So you don't have that, annoying back and forth of messaging. But just remember that unlike digital products, selling your time as a consultant, it just doesn't really scale. So set your rates appropriately to make it worth your time. Once you start booking clients, add a few positive customer reviews for that sweet social proof, and building that consulting brand, it's going to happen. But remember, it's not going to happen overnight. So with the right content and the right online presence, you can fill that calendar in no time. Number 3, sell your services. Like coaching and consulting, this online business is based on leveraging your existing skills for paying clients. So you'll need to have at least a little bit of work experience. And while this doesn't sound as sexy as creating a digital product, starting an online service business is a time-tested way to build a lucrative online business with huge future upside. Popular examples of successful online service businesses include freelance copywriting, blogging, video editing, social media managing, graphic design, web design, etc. If you know how to write, edit, design, or put together a social media campaign, you can start your own online business and start setting your own rates with clients who are going to pay you. Now, the best part about building your own online service business is that it can, and it usually does, lead to the first 2 business ideas on this list. After a few months of client work, you'll learn which tools businesses need to succeed, so you can build and sell your own killer digital product for your industry. You'll also build an extensive network of clients and contacts, as well as industry experience. So you could become a consultant for clients, or you become a coach for other aspiring writers, designers, or editors. It's a win-win that pays the bills while giving you future side hustles all along the way. If you want to start any of these businesses, I recommend you check out our free How to Start a Business course, which will have 28 free downloads that are going to help you build your business from the first day to the first sale. And that's a sweet feeling. I'll leave that link for you in the info card in the description below. And when you're ready to launch your business to the world, Shopify has a free 14-day trial. It's not just a website builder, it's an e-commerce mothership. It's equipped with powerful tools that are going to help you find customers, drive sales, and manage your day-to-day. I built Unbound Merino right here on Shopify, and after making 8 figures in sales, we haven't looked back. There are a million reasons to create an online business instead of working a 9-to-5 or launching a traditional brick and mortar business. It doesn't cost much to get started. You can reach billions of people all over the world. You set your price, and those margins could be sweet. But the single best reason to start an online business is that you can take the first step to become your own boss today, like literally right now. All you need is a good idea and a place to sell it. Now, if you thought this video was helpful to make that happen, give it a thumbs up. That actually helps the channel and the community grow. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you are so you don't miss future releases. I'm Dan Dembski, and thanks for watching.